The bend is going to be about right here, and I need to shove this shingle into the gable edge trim. So I'm going to cut over about this distance, maybe about 1.25 inches, and then cut up here so that that doesn't interfere with getting the shingle in its proper position. One thing that absolutely needs to be emphasized here is that you cannot bend the shingles over the ridge until the entire length of the ridge has this top course of shingles in place. And the reason for that being is if I bend a shingle over the ridge, it's going to be virtually impossible to get the side locks to come together. In order to make this bend, I'm going to make sure that the shingle is fully engaged, and then just standing on the shingle allows it to be bent over the top. Okay, so now we have completely covered the ridge with this top course of shingles. We've gone ahead and chalked a line right on the ridge, and we're going to install now our ridge caps and use the chalk line to make sure that those ridge caps are straight and centered on the ridge. Now, notice that there's not a whole lot of room here, which is good. This edge trim is going to hold this first cap down at the butt. And if it's too tight of a fit, I may need to crimp this shut in order to fit underneath there. But I think we're going to be okay on this particular one. Generally speaking, ridge caps are positioned so that the front end of the shingle faces into the prevailing wind, which is often out of the west.
Best Buy Metals is a nationwide distributor of KasselWood Steel Shingles, along with other premium metal shingles manufactured by Isaiah Industries. Specializing in superior customer support and service, Best Buy has a team ready to help you determine the ideal roofing solution for your project. With core values such as committed customer service, expert-level knowledge, and creativity, along with over 50 years of combined experience, Best Buy's team is the perfect partner to ensure your project goes smoothly. Contact Best Buy Metals today at 1-800-728-4010 or online at www.bestbuymetals.com.